Oh dear. I had to fix the hydrobath from Redcape. Right. What happened was my water was like boiling, like I boiled the kettle. It was 68 OC instead of 42, so it was red hot, absolutely boiling. So I rang them up. Basically, this thing, what goes inside the tank, had broke. Right. So I've ordered the part, about 100 quid plus postage. All I've got to do is fit it. They did recommend using an electrician, but the instructions are really clear and simple too. So these are the instructions, what come with the part, really nice and clear. Now, step 1, remove the star screws from either side of the casing. Let me show you what these are. Now, right in there are your star screws. Right, got to remove those star screws. That's why they recommend an electrician, because they use star screwdrivers. Okay, right, I've got my own little toolkit, and within here I've got a little star bit for star screws. So if I put it in there, I've got a star screwdriver. So the thing is, that is too fat just to reach the star screw. So I've got myself a star screwdriver so I can take out the screws. Right? Now before you start, you have to unplug the bath at the back, switch it off, pull out the plug, and you can take out the screws with your star screwdriver. Right, I'll put the link in the description below to the screwdriver. Right, so take them out. Then when the electrician turns up, you can say, I made a start for you. And if you like, you can use my star screwdriver because it's brand new. I've got a whole set, just like you. So what they do is remove all the wires properly and safely, so there's nothing left. Nothing left in there. Then this, because it's been on for nearly 4 years now on this one, they get a big wrench, and this, that's dead important, has to go anti-clockwise. And what you'll find, there's a thread lock, like a screw, and you're unscrewing it anti-clockwise. So how the clock goes backwards, that way, because you can snap it if you're not careful, and it will slide out. Then put the new one in, wire it all up properly, put it back on, use the star screwdriver, right? Then you can fill up the tank back with water to make sure it covers this. Switch the heat back on. Now what will happen is here, right? It's going to say PRO still. Now what you press is the minus button, hold it down till it says off, OFF, right? Then press it again, it will say on, and it will come on about 16, 17, but won't do anything. You need to press the plus button back up to 42. Your little flame symbol will come on, and you're back to normal.